ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Telang Nongwar, your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
Kiniat pora shwa bagi bor penya district kan pelong ke jing jurep halum survey kabade ke jaka basang masa bian layo jing tip babun ke basang masa hakan ke jaka de ke dong Bangladesh. Ya kini lapin sengod ke beri ke masa tementor ke beran ke jaka dan dukan ke padang dan hapadang ke mukut duma.
Rest two have died. He's the only wife. Dong Marbanyang is there. She has also died, but the family is there. They have informed us that today they are not getting daughters longer. But the case is only regarding these three properties. The stay order, the rest, legal settlement. And he has already given an affidavit as well that the case is only in my knowledge.
तो मेरा तो दो आदमी कम करने वाला मैंने ये दिखाई ना
पीछे कम से कम 100 फैमिली से ज़्यादा है सब तो वो इलीगल है वो 10 दिन से लोग समझा Earlier the DO thought that it was him who got them settled. So he has given an affidavit to DO and to the Defence State Officer. So he has given an affidavit to both the DSO and also the HYC that I have put the stay only for my shop, not for the illegal settlers. I have nothing to do with them. All the drug activities, actually he has proved to be the witness in the state that I have seen all this and I am myself against all this.
Even in the code also, they have written a letter to DO also. His claim is only regarding the three, nothing to do with the illegal.
Yeah.
100 families there from
Most of them are from Bangladesh. Most of them. There's no documents.
Yes, sir.
And also there is an NGO who's been working inside by the name of Spark Foundation. They have also given a list of all the people who are doing illegal activities inside. They are also in our support, completely with our support. That inside there is all the rubbish things are happening.
No, the question is not about whether they are Indian citizen or they are Bangladesh. It's about illegal settlement.
Yes, correct.
Our concern is illegal settlement here.
Correct.
Our concern is to remove these people. If they are in the case, there is a stay order, fine. But the rest of them, 80 to 100 households, are illegally settling here. So they should not be permitted to stay here. That is the objective of us asking for an inspection, so that you know, because the DC has made a statement that there is a case going on, the matter is sub judice. But it is not the whole thing, no? Only these three, the rest are illegal settlement. So action should be taken for the illegal settlement. No? I think it's better to continue. Then better we go inside so that we will see.
Let them come.
Yeah.